Hello painting students. Today I'm going to demonstrate some color mixing and help make sense of this large color mixing board. Have your acrylic notes nearby with your color wheel to reference, and also your primary colors that are labeled cool or red, and I'll show you why in just a quick moment. So we are going to focus on this top section, specifically green is what I'm going to demonstrate. I am going to move my board so that is easier for me to demonstrate underneath the document camera. Supplies, if I'm mixing green, I am going to need my warm yellow, my warm blue, cool yellow, and cool blue. And notice that I just labeled them right on my paper plate. Also grab a clipboard with some wax paper on it that will help you as a space to mix colors. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix, for this green, a warm with a warm. So I'm going to go in my warm blue, which is cerulean blue. Move it over to my mixing space. Notice no paint up on the ferrule, which is the middle part of the brush. So a little bit of warm blue. In between, I'll wash my brush, really clean those bristles. Wipe my brush on my paper towel, and then I'm going to mix a warm yellow with that. Okay, so the purpose of this activity is to work on color mixing, awareness of warm and cool primary tones, and then also work on brush control. Okay, so I've got this nice and mixed. This is a nice shade of green. I could probably add just a tiny bit more blue here just to make sure that it doesn't have too much yellow. And again, you can always ask a friend, but we are looking for a true green here. All right, so I've got my first green mix, which is a warm blue with a warm yellow. Use the flat end of your paintbrush and then carefully fill in your square on your paper. Okay, so again, I'm going to wash my brush. In between switching colors, dip it on my paper towel, and then I am going to mix some warm yellow. Oh, excuse me, for my next section, a cool blue with a cool yellow. This time I'm going to start with the primary color, or excuse me, the lighter tone, which is yellow. And then add some blue to this. You can always add more later on. And the purpose of this activity is to mix 4 different greens. And notice how the greens vary depending on whether you're using a cool or a warm primary color. All right, so that's a nice rich green. You can tell that this green has a little more blue in it than my other one. So that is a cool with a cool. Try to fill that square, keep it neat and tidy. In between. Okay, now this is where things get interesting. For my next square, I am going to mix a warm blue with a cool yellow. A really nice tone. Paint that in. And again, trying to control the brush.